Hello friends, welcome to this channel. And today I'm gonna share with you how you can know someone user location or user country of Instagram. Okay, so if you think that you want to know or you need to know someone Instagram user country or country location, then you can easily know this. Okay, so how can you know this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. Before the tutorial starts, you are requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem or if you have any question, please let me know in comment below. Okay, let's begin the tutorial. So here you can see the Instagram icon. Just click on the icon, and after few seconds we are getting this interface. So choose any user you want to know about their location. I just chose someone. Okay, just I chose this one. Go their profile, click on this, and here you can see his profile. Okay, so just go there. I will show you the process. Three dot, click on this, and here you can see the option about this account. Okay, just click on this, and here you can see the account based in Canada. That means this user is currently living in Canada. Okay, so you can easily know it about the user location or country. Okay friend, today is no more, and please subscribe to this channel and have a nice